Your limitation is your imagination. I am Ritu Singh, your science teacher, and today we are going to start our new chapter, which is chapter 13, sound. First of all, in this chapter we will discuss that what is sound. So, as it is written here, that a sound is a form of energy that is produced when air molecules vibrate in a particular pattern called waves. So, when molecules of the air of a medium vibrates in a proper way, that is called waves, then the thing that is produced is called sound. Okay, so sound is a form of energy. Okay, the sound is a wave, or we can say that sound is a wave, right? Vibrations can be described as a back and forth motion of an object, which we have studied in our previous chapter. That what is vibration? When an object moves in a particular path in back and forth movement, that is called a vibration. So how sound can be produced? Sound can be produced through this vibration only. Okay, depending upon the vibrations, a sound is produced. Sound cannot be produced without any vibration, as it is saying that sound cannot be produced without any vibration. So we always need a vibration to produce a sound. As you can see, these all are musical instruments like this drum, this guitar, and this tuning fork. So here I have this tuning fork. If I'll hit this tuning fork with this key, which is made of a metal, and this tuning fork is also made of a metal, then this tuning fork will produce a sound. Okay, can you hear this sound? Right? Because this tuning fork is creating vibration when I'm hitting this tuning fork with this key, because both of these things are made with metal. So whenever I'll hit this tuning fork with this key, this tuning fork will create some vibration. So this is how this sound will be produced here. Okay, so whenever we want to create sound or to produce sound, we need vibrations. Okay, how do humans produce sound? Human beings have a voice box or larynx which is present in their throat on the upper side of the windpipe. Here we have larynx which help us to produce sound. Okay, in this larynx we have vocal folds. Okay, and here it is thyroid cartilage. Okay, and these vocal cords vibrate, and then only we produce sound. And this is how we become able to speak, and this is how we can speak and we can communicate with each other. And as we have studied that we always need a medium, because sound always need a medium to travel from one place to another place. How this sound will travel? As I am speaking here, okay, because I have vocal cords here in my larynx, right? And those vocal cords will vibrate, and those vocal cords will help me to create sound. Okay, and then I have a medium, and that is air. Okay, through that medium you will become able to hear this sound which I am producing, okay, in my throat. Okay, so this is how sound travels from one place to another place. Now we study about propagation of sound through a medium. As we have already studied about sound, that we know that sound need a medium. It could be gaseous, it could be liquid, it could be solid. And we have already studied in our previous classes that sound can travel through these all mediums, through air, through liquid, and through solid. As I have given an example to you, and that was an example of solid, that tuning fork, that was an example of solid medium. Okay, so as we can see that sound can travel in a solid medium. We can stuck any hard thing with any hard object, and that will produce a sound. So we can say that sound can travel in a solid medium. As we know that whales can speak, okay, and we can hear that sound from a farther place, like we can hear that sound from 2-3 kilometers away, right? So this is possible because that sound can travel in that liquid or in that water. Okay, so we can say that sound can travel in a liquid. Okay, And the example of air is that I am speaking here now. Here I don't have liquid, I don't have solid, yet I am speaking and yet you are able to hear my voice. This is because of this that my sound can travel in this medium, which is air. Okay, so here we can say that sound can travel in different mediums. Okay, so this is propagation of sound. Okay, but as we have studied that sound need a medium. Sound cannot travel without a medium. Okay, whichever it is air, it is liquid, it is solid, whichever it is, but we need a medium. How sound travel in a medium? Sound needs some vibration of molecules to travel. As we know that everything, it is air, it is liquid, it is solid, whichever it is, it has molecules, right? Which we have studied in our previous classes, in second or third classes. Like if we talk about gas, air is a form of gas. Okay, so in air we have molecules, and molecular spaces between air molecules is more than that of liquid and solid. Okay, so when I speak from here, then this sound will travel here, and this molecule will pass these vibrations here, and then these molecules will pass these vibrations here. So it will take some time to travel from here to there. Okay, from first molecule to the last one. Okay, but if we talk about liquids, molecules of liquids are closely packed than gaseous molecules. Okay, so if I speak from here, then these vibration will travel from here to here, 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 and so on, and it will reach here. Okay, so it will take less time to travel as compared to this in this. If it can travel in less time in liquids. Okay, and on the other hand, if we talk about solids, as we know that molecules of solids are closely packed than liquids. So sound can easily travel. If I'll speak from here, or if I'll hit that tuning fork here, then the molecules of that solid will propagate those vibrations easily from here to here. Okay, these vibrations will pass from here to here. Okay, so this is how we can say that sound can easily travel in solids as compared to liquids and gases. Okay, moving on. So we can say that sound through water travels 4 times faster than through the air. Okay, and sound through solids travel 13 times faster than through the air. Okay, so air is the slowest medium and solid is the fastest medium of sound. Okay, rest we will study in the next session. So students, this is for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.